What are you doing?
Put this back together.
What is it?
Careful.
That's Montana's helmet. What you doing?
Adding some padding for my neck restraint.
Because last night it was a little rough.
Oh yeah, my head was moving, especially when I hit that big bus up there.
Mm-hmm.
That was about right, don't it?
Where'd you get that from?
We had this material from the shop, so I stuck it in here just in case I ever needed it like this.
Smart. This is the head restraint, right?
Yeah, that clips onto the helmet. And when I'm in the truck, it looks like this, and then my helmet is up here.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I guess keeps my head from not moving, but I move.
Yep. And then this connects on there.
Yeah, yep.
This connects there. This is what we're working on. It's pretty hot today. It's like 80 out, I'd say.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot today.
Yep. These are my bracelets. Stuff to make bracelets. Something's going on out here. There's the trucks. Okay. Love the color of your helmet. I love the orange. Triton's is like gray, right?
Yeah. I wanted to be different from everybody else.
Yeah.
So I decided.
You can definitely see it through the window when you're driving.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And he drives plain crazy.
Plain Krazy.
Yep. And Triton drives Crazy Train. Montana asked me for help.
I did?
What do you want me to help you with?
Well, I gotta get this.
Duct tape? There's Triton on the Timberwolf. Hello. What you doing?
I'm gonna sit down.
Where'd you go? I guess he's trying to add more cushion because it was like rough last night, you said?
Yeah.
See, it's not always perfect. There's always like last minute adjustments and fixing. Like, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully this will make it better.